All right, so welcome to Math Mind GH. My name is Innocent as well. Let's get started with this particular question. It's a simultaneous equation, okay, in two variables, and we have been asked to find the values of what? X and Y. So now we have to rewrite these questions before we can what? Proceed with what? The solution. So we have 3 exponent x 2y plus 2 equal to what? 10. That is our equation 1. Then 2y minus 3 exponent x minus 2 equal to what? 2. Our equation 2. Now, to solve this particular question, we have to adopt some concepts from what? Other particular what? Topics. And the first one that we have to go with is what? Indices. Okay. Indices has to what? Do with what? Splitting this particular terms here, 2 exponent y plus 2. Then this particular one here, 3 exponent x minus 2. So we can rewrite this in a nice way. Writing the equation 1 in a nice way would give us what? 3 exponent x minus 2 exponent y. Because in the laws of indices says that what? When the bases are equal, you what? Add the exponent. That is when they are multiplying. So we can rewrite this as what? 2 exponent y multiplied by what? 2 exponent 2. Because it was these bases that were equal. That was why we did what? We added this. Then this is equal to what? Equation what? This is equal to 10. That is what? Equation 1. Then we will do same for this one by splitting this. 2 exponent y minus 3 exponent x. This will be over what? 3 exponent what? 2. Because the laws of indices says that what? Whenever we are what? Dividing and the bases are equal, we should subtract what? The exponent. We are subtracting the base, the denominator's exponent from where? What? The numerator's exponent. And that is equal to what? 2. So we can then let a variable be equal to what? This particular terms here, because in the first equation, we can see what? 3 exponent x here. We can see 2 exponent y. In the second equation, we can see 2 exponent y. We can see 3 exponent x. So therefore, let n, that is my choice of variable, okay, be equal to what? 3 exponent x. And n be equal to what? 2 exponent y. This would therefore implies that what? Our equation 1 will become what? M minus what? N multiplied by 4. 2 exponent 2 is equal to 4. It's equal to 10. So our equation 1 would now be m minus 4n is equal to 10. This is our new equation 1. Then the second one, we will have what? N exponent y is equal to what? N. So we have n minus what? M all over what? 3 exponent 2 will give us what? 9 equal to what? 2. If we what? Simplify this further, we'll have what? 9n. 9. This one we multiply through by 9. This will give us what? Minus what? M equal to what? 2 times what? 9, which will give us 9n minus m equal to what? 18. Equation what? 2. That is what we have here. So now our solution now will be based on these two equations. M minus 4n equal to what? 10. Equation 1. 9n minus m equal to 18. Equation what? 2. We can go by what? Elimination, and as well go by what? Substitution. But the simple thing that I have to do here is what? Go by what? Elimination. That is if that is what I want. Then I can rearrange this particular what? Equations as what? M minus 4n equal to 10. Then the equation 2 will be negative m plus 9n equal to 18. It's the same equation, all right? The same equation. So that when I add equation 1 to equation 2, equation 1 plus equation 2. When I add this, negative m and positive m will go. Then we'll have what? Negative 4n plus what? Positive 9n. And that will give us what? 5 what? N equal to what? 10 plus 18 will give me what? 28. So therefore, I'll have what? 5n is equal to 28. Divide through by 5. We have what? N is equal to 28 over 5. Already, we have these two equations here. I have to substitute what? The n into what? Any of them to find the values of what? M. So I'll go for equation 1. Going for equation 1, I'll have m minus 4n. In place of n, I'll substitute 28 over what? 5 equal to what? 10. Then I'll simplify now. Simplifying, m minus what? 4 multiplied by 28 has to do with 112 all over 5 equal to 10. Then now what? This was the reason I thought something at first. I'll add 112 all over 5 to both sides, and that will give me what? 10 plus what? 112 all over 5. If you don't get it, go back to watch the solution I gave to what? X plus 2 equal to 5. And that will be equal to 50 plus 112 all over what? 5. Therefore, m is equal to what? 162 all over 5 as the value of what? M. I hope you understand. After getting the values of these variables, m and n, we will depend on these to find the values of x and y. In order for you to get the solution, please kindly follow me, like my videos, and subscribe. Thank you very much.